Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to do the maintenance on the knives. So by sitting on the shift in the box, well, it's sharpening once or two times. It's sharp, but once in a while when I do, I just have a stropping plate with a handle, nice. Two sides, one is the stropping paste, another just plain leather. So once in a while, once a year or so, if I just want to maintain the knives, just see if it's no rust, because especially carbon steel knives. So what I do, I just little stropping, just put it like this, and just couple of times go in and out. So what that means is on a micro level, it's gonna be take all this imperfection on the cutting edge. That's when you sharpen it. So there's the final stage to polishing up the cutting edge to the perfection, so it's cut nice and smooth, don't bite anything. So when I do couple of times like this on the stropping paste, which is have some grade on it, there's kind of different grades, lots of them, but when I used just green one, I don't remember how many grain is it, but I've used this for years and it works for me. So when I done doing on the stropping paste, I just flip it around and do the same on the plain leather, just like this. So what this does, it's gonna clean up a little bit paste, but it's gonna be polish the cutting edge more, like more clean or more smoother. So, and it's done. So that's how I maintain my my knives once in a while. So now even look at it, it's scary sharp. Well, I know because I'm resharpening this all my knives by myself. I'm not gonna cut you papers or hair or whatever. You gotta trust me on this one. So it's a lots of video people cut anything through. Makes no sense to me. But I just want to show you how the blade can be maintained almost perfect for a long period of time. So when you need it to use, you know it's still sharp and still useful. That's the maintenance of the knives.